Hey folks, now Uncle Al's kind of blind, and maybe I can't find it, but okay, I'm still nauseous, and I've been drinking a lot of this. Thank you, Martha. I know about ginger. I've been chewing on it, but after the orange goo incident, it wasn't too pleasant. Now, today, even sick and tired and ill like hell. Okay, I'm doing this for, who is it? Let's talk about prepping. Tyler's channel. This one's for you. Now I made a playlist. Go check out my playlist. This one is entirely for Tyler of, where is he? Let's talk about prepping. Yeah, let's talk about prepping. It's called Money Stupid. All right. Now a lot of people don't agree with Uncle Alan, but Uncle Alan's kind of ill, and I got to do all this stuff, and I want to make sure that Tyler has more advantages than his peers. Now, most millennials has a -6 or -4 on understanding money. This is the actuary side of me, and I'm going to give all my tips to Tyler. So please check out Money Stupid. Okay. Now, remember I showed you this, folks? Okay. Take a good look at it because Uncle Alan can't see. I finally took off my bandage to air out my eye. And it's creepy as hell because I still have to close it because I don't want to see pus dripping all over the place. Yeah. Anyway, it's healing up fairly good. Okay. And then a little update from Hubble's Cat. Now, Hubble's Cat says they had a problem in Singapore because it affected money, and they're only using ATM cards and credit cards. I do recommend a credit card, and if you have an ATM card, don't get the chip. You get it from a savings and loan. Ask Palmetto Prepared. He'll tell you better about that. Check out his channel. Now, I got to do this quick, and this is going to be financing. And I don't want to vomit orange goo all over the place. Be sure to check out Justin Times Prepping. Okay, he has a roundtable discussion tonight. I will try to get Gil and of Gil's family camp family Patton compound. I'll try to get his schedule. Also, Southern Ohio Prepping. That's Dave's channel. I'll try to get it too. I've just been a little tired and a little sick, and I got a lot of work and a lot of projects ahead of me. Clown just got a little bit of income, so not much, but it's worth it. I'm working my way. Now, here's a tip for Tyler. Okay, Tyler, before I throw up again. Let's see, what was I talking about? Oh, yeah. You got your primary job. That's your day-to-day working job, okay? That covers your expenses and you save stuff. Good. Second job, get an online job. There's lots of them. I get a lot of offers for online work. All you need is a smartphone and a laptop and good internet connection. Repeat, a smartphone, a laptop, and good internet connection. Now, I know Disney has online jobs. Go check that out first because I'm keeping this very simple. How many companies in the United States has online job? Well over 2,000 positions, but they don't have people to fill them. That's why they go overseas to India. Now, if you get one good like Disney, this is for Tyler, write this down, check online Disney jobs. That's usually billing, booking, and other things that you can do online or on a smartphone. See, got to think like Uncle Al. Well, that's a base job. It pays low, but you can work yourself up. If you do 1 year of Disney online work, next thing is you go on to um, other online jobs. And once you get good at that, you have a resume built up and you can put it in um, other resume searching platforms and you'll get it done. Now, Uncle Alan's pushing 60 entire, and this is my 5th time trying to make a fortune. And I will. Nothing stops Uncle Al. Uncle Al is really tired and really old and really sick. Okay, now another sick person we want to check up is A. KFAB. Please send her get well cards, cash, gear, and food. I just got an email from her. She's not doing too well. And she's like only 25 away from reaching 500. Let's help her out before she passes away. Okay? Please check out all these people right here. All right. Kayla did a really good mail call. David did a good one. And all these people right here I love to watch. Okay? Now, the big thing is making money. If you have an online job, you can make money fairly easy. You have to be careful and you have to follow the rules and know how to play the game. So I'm keeping it short today. Please check out Hubble's Cat. I'll be trying to do what my experiments in my little patio garden, what I'm doing. Hopefully I feel up to it. And also I'll be working on my ration videos. Now, a lot of people are selling right now, because of the panic and hype, food buckets again. Please do not buy food buckets. I seen DieCAD buy a Wise food bucket. Open it up and eat one of those things, and you find out you just made the worst decision of your life. Now, I will show you my old video where I have my suitcase full of food. Now, I've been using it in January because it kind of messed up my CalFresh. And because Uncle Alan didn't fit the program, and I'm not a Democrat. So I got that all straightened out, and I got my food supply back, but I've been leaning on it. So I'm going to show you it's running a little thin, but I do carry about 30-day supply of food. And if you watch Bear Independent, very good channel, about his food, he's working on his system for 3,600 calories a day. That's fighting soldier strength. I'm working anywhere from 1,600 to 2,000 a day or more, depending on individual. And you're feeding a family of 4. Okay? You have to calculate food density. You have to calculate how much weight, how much time prepared, and how much water. Now, a lot of people goes to freeze dry, goes see Pennsylvania Prepper. She does a wonderful job on that. And also Palmetto Prepare, also a very good channel. Okay? Now, I have to go over this because a lot of people screw this up a lot. You cannot pile a bunch of cans in a corner and think you have food density. Okay? A lot of people make mistakes. This is why you have dry and bulk foods. And people look confused at Uncle Al. Yes, David Lynn, I do have to dumb it down and tell people this. It's going to take me about 20 videos to explain this to a lot of people, because a lot of people are sight and texture education. Okay? They're not reading or thinking for themselves, which is really tough for old Uncle Al because I don't feel good. And one of these days, Uncle Al's not going to be here and you guys are going to get screwed. So I'll catch you later, folks. It's a nice chat. Remember, this is for Tyler of Let's Talk About Prepping. Catch you later, folks.